Discover the magic of Ireland like never before with SkyDroneViews.com, your aerial gateway to the Emerald Isle's wonders. From the vibrant tapestry of the Wicklow Mountains to the serene dance of light over the Irish Sea, SkyDroneViews.com brings Ireland's beauty to life. Experience the majestic cliffs and hidden waterfall gems through our stunning aerial videography, offering a unique perspective that promotes Ireland's natural and cultural heritage. SkyDroneViews.com is not just about showcasing Ireland's landscapes. It's about inviting the world to explore and appreciate the richness of Irish nature and history from a bird's-eye view. Whether you're seeking adventure from the skies or aiming to collaborate on highlighting Ireland's allure, we're here to tell Ireland's story in breathtaking detail. For partnerships or to embark on an aerial journey across Ireland, reach out to us at info@skydroneviews.com. Let SkyDroneViews.com be your guide to the untold stories and hidden beauty of Ireland, captured from above. Join us in celebrating Ireland's majestic landscapes, only with SkyDroneViews.com.